Hello friends, welcome to Dataring. Today we'll be discussing about the Python IDE and which IDE we are going to use in our programming. Okay, here we'll be installing the Anaconda distributor where the Python Jupyter notebook is embedded. Yeah, you are right. We are here dealing with Anaconda and Python. So today we are snake handler. So without wasting much time, let's go to the main page. Okay. To download Anaconda distributor, you need to write down Anaconda distribution downloader, then come to this www.anaconda.com. No need to remember this, I'm going to provide it in the description box below. Okay, then click on download, scroll down. Depending on your system, the versions are given, whether it is for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. Now click on, depending on the system, click that. I'm having Windows with 64-bit, so I'm going to download this. That is 621 MB. It is going to take time. So guys, now Anaconda distributor is downloaded, so we need to install it. Double click on that. Then in this page, go to next and click on I agree. Here keep this as the default. Then next, here you need to select the location where you want to install the Anaconda, Jupyter, all these things. Then in this page you need to remember that you need to click the right in this box actually, where it is written add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. If you don't add this in future for any work, there will be a problem. So always tick this box. Okay, then go to install. It will again take some time. Guys, our Anaconda installation is completed. Now let us search for the same Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is here. We already found it. And Anaconda Navigator is the page where we'll be able to find our Jupyter notebook and other IDE also. It will take little time. So now our Anaconda Navigator is successfully launched. Here you can see this page. There are so many IDEs are available. Normally we'll be working with Jupyter Notebook, and also if you want you can explore the Jupyter Lab. There are also PyCharm IDEs available where we'll be working in future. Okay, so let us launch Jupyter Notebook. It will launch in your default browser which you have fixed in your system. For me it is Microsoft Edge. Here you can see in this page the files, running, cluster are available as options. And so in file, now we are going to create a new Jupyter notebook. For that we need to go to new and create one Python 3 notebook. So congratulations, you have successfully launched your Jupyter notebook, and this is how the Jupyter notebook looks like. Here you can see file, edits, view, in everywhere, in every, like if you see Word, Excel, in there also in the ribbon bar, this kind of features are available here. Also the same. Now this is called cell. This entire box is called cell. Here you need to write down your codes. Suppose I need to do one addition, 5 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5. Now I need to execute it. I need to run it. How I can run it? So there are many options. So first is do that. It will work. Again, you can do from your keyboard itself. Like you need to press shift and enter. If you press shift and enter, two things actually happening. First, execution of the current cell and creation of another cell. Now if you want to just execute your current cell but not want to produce another cell, then what you need to do, you need to just press control enter. See, the another cell has been not created. So this is for the keyboard shortcuts. For keyboard shortcuts you can go to help. Here keyboard shortcuts are available. I will encourage you to please go through all this, because these shortcuts will make your life very happy. Definitely, I'll be showing you few, but from your end, you need to explore this. That will make you more profound in the knowledge of Python shortcuts. Okay, so that is it for today.
So guys, hope you liked the video. If you really like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell button. Also share with your near one and dear one. Guys, subscription is my fees, so please do it. Thank you. Bye bye.